What's poppin' everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know guys, I'm so sorry for the inconsistency of my videos here on my channel. Talaga lang, ang dami nangyayari lately and hindi ko nababalance yung pag-edit ko for the vlog and everything. So I am so sorry. I am back. I hope you guys still remember me. Sana hindi nyo pa ako nakalimutan. So for this vlog and this video today, medyo throwback siya kasi I shot this video a few months back. It is actually yung aking journey sa pagpa-plan ng event ko for Shoesters. So, na-document ko siya guys. And actually, the reason why hindi ko rin siya na-post kaagad is because nagka-problema with the files. Pero eventually guys, nakakatuwa kasi na-recover na natin yung files. I am so happy that I can share this with you guys. I promise you guys that I will be posting more here on this channel. So I think that's it guys. Let's start with the video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani, also known as Street by Dani. And for today's video guys, I'll be showing you my journey and yung aking pagplan ng first ever meetup ng Shoesters. So if you guys don't know what Shoesters is, it is a female sneakerhead community here in the Philippines. And I think I haven't seen any community like this before here. So that's why I want to do this. And gusto ko talaga siya i-pursue. So starting with the planning, actually ang date today is February 17, 2024. And I am planning to do the event at March 16, 2024, Saturday. Kasi saktong-sakto guys, Women's Month ang March. And so far guys, sa pagpa-plan ko, I already have a venue. And the venue will be at Psycho Bar and Cafe sa Ronak Art Center. So, sobrang perfect nung venue, guys. And then, for the program, ipaplan pa namin siya ng mga Shoester admins ko later. Short program lang para mas may time makipag-usap yung mga girls to get to know each other. Food and drinks is already included sa venue. Yung title ng event namin will be Kicking It Together. So, nakaisip nito yung si mga Shoester admins ko. So, super thank you guys for the title. And ito rin pala guys, I will be launching Shoesters' first merch. Actually, dalawa yung merch. Yung first merch will be a sticker set that is designed and collaborated with Cassie Kicks. Sobrang galing niya na designer guys. One of my favorite kasi super cute ng mga designs. And what I love most is sneakerhead din siya. So, talagang the passion and everything is there talaga. Yun yung first merch natin. And then the second merch will be our first Shoester crew socks. So yung nag-design ng socks na yun guys is me. Kind of minimal lang yung design na yun. Pero cute siya kasi may surprise siya at the bottom of the sock. Hopefully you guys like it. So sa event na to guys, I am looking for sponsors para meron naman ako mga giveaway sa mga Shoesters natin, diba? And so far, we have some sponsors na. First is si Sneak. It is a sneaker store owned by one of my Shoesters. And she will be sponsoring us an Adidas sneaker. So, yun yata yung parang grand prize natin nun kasi sneaker ang mabibigay. And we also have It's So Good. If you guys know, It's So Good is a good friend of mine and he's always there supporting Street by Dani and you know, the whole community talagang sinusupport niya. And then we also have a sponsor from Volve. So, Volve is yung sneaker bag na sobrang ganda na ginagamit ko palagi. Super thank you Kendrick for sponsoring us. Ito rin pala guys. So, kahapon, naisip ko if I can contact Boss Big, so si Big Boy Cheng, if he would want to support and sponsor our event. Last night, nag-message siya and sabi niya that he will be sponsoring some toys. I want to say thank you to Big Boy Cheng for supporting the female sneakerhead community. I really appreciate it. And nga pala guys, I'm trying to contact Vans to sponsor the event as well. Kasi I know guys na si Vans is very supportive sa mga community. They do activation sa mga iba't ibang events and hopefully guys, they can sponsor us as well. I emailed them yesterday and they will get back to me next week. Grabe, it will be a big thing for us. So, ang estimated number of Shoesters that I think will be going siguro maximum is 30 people. Hopefully, abot ng 30 people, guys. Kasi I really want to meet all of the Shoesters. So far, I think that's the update pa lang for the event. And also guys, if you watch this video and hindi kayo naka-attend ng event, but you want to join us sa mga upcoming events natin sa future, you can follow us at shoesters.ph on Instagram and join our Facebook group, Shoesters. So, welcome kayo dun guys, para updated din kayo sa mga upcoming events namin. I am so excited for this event kasi this is, I think, my first event na ako ang nagplan. Good luck sa akin, guys. I trust in God that He will bless me through this process. So, I think that's it. I will be updating you guys in the next couple of days. Alright, guys. See ya! Hi! Alright. So, wala, i-update ko lang kayo sa mga nangyayari. Hey guys, so today we will be going to Roanoke Art Center in Green Hills where the venue will be held. Sa Psycho Bar and Cafe tayo magpapa-event and i-ocular ko lang yung place para ma-visualize ko kung saan ilalagay yung mga photo area, yung merchandise and stuff. And I will be tasting also the food para alam ko ano mga i-order na food at the event. So, I think that's it. See ya! Nagano na konto. Bye! Okay guys, so yung elevator nila hindi gumagana. So anyways, ito na yung place. Malaki yung area dito, pero around mga 12, medyo mainit pala siya. Tingnan muna tayo sa loob. Hello po, good morning. So, yung venue overall, nice siya kasi may sneaker store ba dito. So, talagang bagay siya. We might have a problem for the merch. I'll talk na lang to the kung sakali. If we can add this area. Para dito na lang yung merch and yung photo kung sakali. Alright. Yan nangyayari sa mga clumsy. Hi guys, so kakatapos ko lang mag-Ocular dito sa Psycho and ang ganda talaga ng venue, sobrang perfect siya for the event. Ang concern ko lang is sira yung elevator nila at hindi na yata maayos yan until the 16. 4 floors. Sorry talaga girls, promise. Kala ko kasi ayos yung elevator. So, exercise na lang muna tayo nun. I will see you guys pag na-post ko na yung poster sa pag-planning, sa pag-prep and everything. So, bye! Hey guys, so we just got home and we have exciting news. So, may nakuha na akong email from Vans and they will sponsor the event as well. Super exciting! And I will be sharing with you guys a rough draft of our poster. So, si Jella Beef ang gumawa ng poster natin. Thank you so much, Jella. So, yan. Makita nyo ba? I will post it here na lang. Yan yung poster natin for the Shoesters event. And also update pala, yung socks and yung stickers ay ginagawa na. So waiting na lang ako sa final product pag ma-ship nila dito sa bahay. So papakita ko sa inyo yun once na dadating na. That's it. See ya! Hi guys! So I am going down kasi aayusin ko yung mga prizes for the games and mga best dressed and stuff. Yun lang. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Nandito na lahat ng mga prizes. Oh my gosh, swerte yung makakuha ng Volve. So, as you can see here guys, meron akong listahan ng mga prizes. Talagang dinistribute ko lahat ng prizes sa lahat ng mga games para lahat mananalo ng mga magagandang prizes from our sponsors. So, super thank you sa sponsors pala namin. Grabe, di ko in-expect na sobrang daming mag-support. And actually guys, chinek ko yung RSVP. playlist. Marami na rin pupunta. Super overwhelmed ako and I am super happy. Ayun, start na muna ako guys. So, if you guys remember this, ito yung Dry Kicks X Streetbydani shoe cover. So, papamigay ako nito sa mga prizes. And soon, I will be selling it na rin. So, be updated na lang on my Instagram and Facebook. Oh, by the way guys, I am wearing Aftermarket's newest apparel line, AM Goods. And grabe guys, ang ganda ng quality. Actually, suot ko siya ngayon kasi I was filming a reel and I just want to say congrats to them. If you guys want to check out the apparel, you can check out their Instagram, AM Goods PH. Best Dressed Award goes to... I don't know yet. Thank you pala to Clyde guys for giving us itong mga paper bags and also yung mga Clyde products. Super thankful kami. Grabe talaga ang support ng Clyde. Alright, so I think that's it guys. I'm done packing all the prizes and tomorrow I'll be packing naman yung mga Vans stickers para ilagay sa mga Vans tote bag para ibigay sa mga Shoesters. So I think that's it. It's late na and I am sleepy na. Alright, so good night guys. Hey guys, so today is the day of the event ng Shoesters and now I am actually preparing and magme-makeup muna ako. Pero I just want to show you the first look of the Shoesters merch. Ito yung Shoesters socks. Ang ginawa ko lang dito, simple lang talaga siya. So, ang ganda ng kalabasan. And then, ang cute talaga nitong detail sa paa. If you can read this, buy me shoes. I'm selling this for $399. And then, for the sticker set, ito, ang ganda. This one is $250. And if they get both at the event, they can get it for $599. Sulit na rin, guys, diba? I think that's it. Mag-makeup na ako, guys, kasi medyo late na ako. So, we're ready na. Quick outfit check. Naka-all denim ako today. And then, shoe of choice, Vans na Reconstruct. So, tara, let's go.
Today, we are going to appreciate female sneakerheads.
Yes.
Dapat, we all in.
For the ladies this time. This is the merch of Shoesters. Shoesters exclusive stickers for the event.
Ganda, ganda.
And that
Really made for sneakerheads. Tsaka pambabae talaga.
especially to that special lady in your life. I mean, come on. Go to the Shoester group first. Sign it up. Andun lang. Sobrang bait nilang lahat.
Kumusta?
Okay naman.
Joshua!
Oo nga, thank you so much.
Hello, Claire.
Hi guys! So, hinihintay lang namin yung mga Shoesters. We are all about forming bonds with each other with our fellow Shoesters.
Your sneakers for the day. Good afternoon, I'm Natalie. Are those the power cups?
Ay, oh, blossom.
Ganda the blossom colorway, am I correct? Feel the textures. Feel the soles. The sole of the shoe.
Guys, look here. 1, 2, 3. One more. Wacky, wacky!
Ayan.
Hala.
Kuha ka ng tatlong photos, tapos isang full, isang...
Hi! Hi! Hey!
Congrats, Dani.
Thank you!
Congrats, Dani!
Thank you! Wait, congrats sa atin lahat! Congrats sa atin lahat! Ano masasabi mo, Edward Ken?
Ganda, sobrang successful lang event. Shout out to all the Shoesters that came through. Nice one.
Yes, ikaw, it's so good.
Sobrang galing. Dani, number 1. Shoesters all the way up.
Thank you!